If you're struggling to progress in the gym, you need to stop destroying your sets with fatigue and start lifting heavy the smart way. So here's how to perform the only intensifier technique you actually need. So first off, what is a cluster set? Cluster sets are an intensifier technique which you can add to your program. And in many cases, they're more effective than supersets or drop sets because you're adding rest instead of removing it. As we know, removing rest can only lead to more overall fatigue. A cluster set is basically a normal straight set with a heavy load, usually around your 5 rep max. But the catch is, it's broken up into small mini sets with short rest periods anywhere from 5 to 45 seconds. And when performing these, I always advise to rest for 20 to 30 seconds. In order to perform them, start by choosing a heavy weight where you can normally get about 5 reps. As we know, the last 5 reps of any set are going to be the most stimulating for muscle growth. And cluster sets allow you to hit those high quality reps without breaking standardized form. So after you've picked an exercise you choose to perform these on, do 1 to 2 reps, rest for 10 to 45 seconds, then repeat until you hit your total target reps. And this sequence will count as one entire set. Make sure the weight on the chosen exercise doesn't change, as each rep will require less redeeming neural output. Those short rest breaks in between your sets will let your nervous system partially recover, while motor unit firing stays more efficient, potentially leading to more muscle growth. And compared to a 5 rep max taken to true failure, you avoid the neural inefficiency that comes from grinding out those last continuous reps. Now, because of this, cluster sets also help you keep more standardized form across your entire set, as these short rest periods will essentially allow you to reset. Now, the main downside to cluster sets is that they can be hard to track progressive overload on a week-to-week basis, which is why they're best used as a tool and not for every single exercise. But yes, they can be used on any exercise of your choosing, and I always aim to perform them earlier in your sessions when your CNS is the freshest and can take advantage of heavier loads.